machine po namin dito sa Tugigaraw na nagamit ng 4 na araw na may total meters na 28. Ito po yung printer head. Ito po yung capping. Head clean. Nozzle check. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Dito naman yung ink tank area. Ang ink system level is tama lang. Dito naman yung ink tank na linis ng Friday. AVR na may 220 volt. And ground wire. Andito naman po yung stock namin ng use, unused, DTF film, and DTF powder. Andito naman ang records na nagamit sa sayang. Magenta, yellow, black, powder, and white. Daily output, and daily checklist.